showers and storms. Victor?
Betty, thank you. In today's HealthCast, the popular fashion statement is becoming problematic for some. Medical specialist Christy Kruger is now in the newsroom with the details.
Yeah, we are talking about something called ear gauges, a way of stretching the earlobe that can actually create a very large hole. I'm sure you've seen these on some teens, 20-year-olds out there. When the look is no longer desired, though, Boca Raton plastic surgeon Dr. Jacob Steiger can surgically close that hole with an in-office procedure. It actually takes just about 30 minutes.
Yeah. Every gauge is a little bit different depending on the size and location within the ear. So usually it's a reconstruction of the earlobe in order to shrink the hole, make it much smaller, and remove or totally reconstruct the earlobe.
He numbed him up, did the procedure, bang, bang, done.
Bang, bang, done. Earlobe repair typically costs about $1,000. Also in our HealthCast today, a unique pacifier designed by a Florida nurse is getting a whole lot of attention in neonatal intensive care units all across our country.